how many sentences we use in English tenses? If you really want to know, then watch it and definitely you will come to know the best of techniques how within no time you can learn and educate yourself. Let's go. Yes, there are 48 sentences we use in active voice and 32 sentences in passive voice. Yes, if you really want to know about it, I have a better and beautiful calculation. I can show you how well you can understand about it. Yes, it is possible to speak 48 sentences within 30 seconds and 32 sentences also. Total 80 sentences can be spoken within 1 minute. Amazing, right? Look, there are seven pronouns: I, we, you, he, she, it. Yes, and if we really add on 80 sentences with seven pronouns, now just calculate, it would be 560 sentences. It is not quite difficult. Most of students they have achieved it through training and you can also do it. Do you know about the word form V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 form, present, past participle, present participle, again present in singular form? So if you look at this irregular verb, considerably we can take 280 verbs. Yes, and 280 verbs with the five forms, it 1400 verbs. It can be learnt within no time. So if you calculate your 560 sentences and structures with these 1400 verbs within a month can make you fluent and accurate. Yes, you can. Everything is possible. Yes, if you really want to know about it, you need to undergo the training. You can add on WhatsApp. I will tell you how you can go by it. So, what are you thinking? It's time to have a great training sessions. Let's go by this one. You will have an amazing part of it. This is what the simple tricks and techniques I shared with you. If you really want to know more about it, you need to undergo a formal training. And trust me, most of people, those who have attended this program, they have succeeded in their English communication. And it's your time to take a right decision with the right training platform. Wish you all the best. Good luck.